Every climb tells a story about the land below. Today, we're climbing out over green fields.
How the horizon drops lower and lower as we gain altitude.
Takeoff is behind us now, and the pilot settles into a steady, patient climb. Down, the countryside spreads out like a quilt: farms, hedgerows, and dark patches of forest. From up here, you start to see how the land fits together: fields squared off by roads, streams tracing the low ground. Pilot keeps one eye outside and one on the instruments, holding a constant climb and a constant heading. Air often grows smoother as you climb, leaving the bumps of the warm ground behind. Below, blue above, and the steady hum of the engine carrying us higher. We break out above the clouds. Aviation Lab. Dream, learn, fly.